Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn that how can we use our timer control. So let's switch to our toolbox and pen it here. First of all, we need four tools. First one is a text box. Drag and drop there. Two buttons and a timer control. Now rename these buttons. Change their text property. After changing the properties of button, you can see the timer control here. Select this and here you see the intervals. There is 100 intervals means a millisecond, right? So we modify that property and put an 0 here. And now let's switch to our code window. Here we going to create a event for the text box, for the button start. Click event timer 1 dot start. For stop button and for timer control it's tick event, and here we are going to write textbox1 dot text equal +1, and we are going to convert it to an integer, right? And here we're going to create an if statement. If textbox1 dot text equal empty, or 1 dot text equal nothing, then right. So now let's start our application and see what happened. So when we click on start button, you can see after a second it going to increment in previous value: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When we click stop, the timer will stop. So we have learned that how can we use a timer control in Visual Studio. If you like, then make comments and subscribe our channel for further videos. Have a nice time.